Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi pizza at home. First, activate your yeast in warm water with a pinch of sugar. Then, combine all-purpose flour and salt in a large bowl. Gradually add the yeast mixture and a tablespoon of olive oil, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead this dough for 8 to 10 minutes on a lightly floured surface until it's smooth and elastic. Finally, let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. Next, let's prepare our signature Desi toppings. Start with a vibrant tomato sauce, spiced with ginger, garlic, and a hint of green chili for that authentic kick. For protein, consider pre-marinated chicken tikka or paneer cubes. Slice up some fresh red onions, colorful bell peppers, and a few more green chilies for extra heat. Don't forget a generous amount of shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese blend for the perfect melt. Now it's time to assemble and bake your delicious Desi pizza. Preheat your oven to a hot 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently punch down your risen dough and roll it out on a lightly floured surface to your preferred thickness. Transfer the dough to a pizza pan or baking stone. Spread your flavorful Desi sauce evenly, leaving a small border for the crust. Layer on your prepared toppings and a generous amount of cheese. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Once your pizza is out of the oven, let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. This helps the cheese set and makes slicing easier. For a fresh finish, sprinkle some chopped fresh cilantro or mint leaves over the top. Carefully slice your Desi pizza into 8 equal portions using a sharp pizza cutter. Serve immediately and savor the unique, vibrant flavors of your homemade creation. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.